completed my daily stretching exercises. Not more than 15 minutes. And now moving back to everyday's task and enjoying walking barefoot on ground. It is really divine to walking on dewdrops. ওইখানে it is so soothing, so divine. Just if you haven't tried, please try it once to walk early in the morning on barefoot on grasses filled with dewdrops. Oof. It is so relaxing, so soothing. It is just divine to walk. It will release all your tensions. You will be away from pressure. Blood pressure will be normalized. It is so soothing to walk on barefoot on grasses. I just like to keep walking. I can't explain you my mental condition. How am I feeling now?